In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil indicator light on a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This also works on a 2021 Toyota Tacoma as well. What you're going to do is you're going to start up the vehicle. You'll notice when the vehicle starts, it's going to have a message saying that maintenance is required. You're going to press this little back button here. That's going to get you back to this main page here. Using the left and right arrows here, you're going to scroll over to the little gear looking one. You're going to go to settings. Then to select it, you're going to press the little dot button. And then you're going to go up and down through this menu until you get to maintenance reset. Press the little dot button again. It's going to ask you if you want to reset the maintenance reminder. You're going to press the dot again. Now the maintenance reset is complete. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process for the Toyota Tacoma. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any questions, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.